Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are looking at how to create or use Chrome autofill so you can save time when you are checking out or logging in and whatnot. So go up here, click on the three buttons or menu icon, then go down to settings. So you can go to Chrome settings. Then on the left navigation bar, you can look at autofill right here immediately. And you can set up autofill for your passwords, your payment method, and addresses, and more. So if you're like buying something and trying to get something before it sells out, you could quickly enter in your payment, which is autofill, and your address. So let's look at password first. So I don't have any saved passwords, but if you want to add a website, just click this, click add your website. After you've done that, put your username for that website. So this is not my username, by the way. I'm just adding random stuff and put whatever and click save, and then it's going to renumber. So when you go to Nike.com, when you're signing in, it's going to ask if you like to autofill, or it can autofill for you. Alright, after that, let's go back and let's look at payment method. Same idea here. Make sure you have the things toggled on for these two, so it can like automatically add your payments. So same idea, just add your card numbers, name, expiration date, and whatnot. And after that, it will appear here. So you add the card number, it will autofill. Now addresses, just click on add. Same idea. Put your name. Chris Jr. Organization, Joey LC, 123 Main Street, Dallas, Texas, and whatnot, and then just fill it out. You know what I mean? Save it, and then it's just gonna save. Then next time you go on to these sites that ask for email, password, login, and payment, you can just go so much quicker by having this beforehand. So if you're like a shopper, or if you're just trying to buy something quickly before it sells out, I think this is a great tool and benefit. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys. And I hope this video helps you. Yep.